The Water Fae, they don't fix emotion, they let it move. So today, if you're feeling heavy, just label it, this is sadness, this is anxiety, and then imagine it on the bird stream behind me, and just imagine water just carrying it away, just motion without a story. And breathe in, and the first colour you think of, have a sense of that beautiful colour and light filling the space. Okay. The Water Fae aren't here to make you prettier. They're here to make you more receptive. If you're constantly giving, then your energies get depleted. So practice receiving. Today, focus on something you receive, a compliment, sunshine, just a feeling of calm, and really let that land, really let that top up your energy batteries. And just breathe and know you're connected to the oneness and flow. Water Fae magic becomes stronger when you stop pretending you don't want anything. So for today, pick one thing and say it out loud. I want ease. I want peace. I want to feel seen. Just say it gently and mean it, and just let the water carry it into the ether, into the quantum, to become a compass for you. If you only let yourself feel joy after you think that you deserve it, Water Fae, they will disrupt that. So for today, just pick one thing that makes you feel joyous, and just feel that joy with no guilt. Just feel it just because you can. And allow that then to amplify in the quantum. That's true Water Fae magic. You don't need to be rigid to be powerful. So just take a breath, lift your sternum, and speak in a soft voice. I am not available for what drains me. A soft voice and a strong field. That's Water Fae flexibility. Just for 24 hours, focus on communicating like water and Water Fae. Water Fae don't beg. They just communicate in a soft, clear manner. So before you communicate anything for the next 24 hours, whether it's speech, a post, an email, just consciously connect to the Water Fae. Imagine you're by a stream or by a burn, and breathe in aqua blue light. And just take a deep breath and communicate from that perspective, from that vibration, and just notice the difference and the flow. And if you've enjoyed this week of Water Fae messages, if you haven't already, then make sure you follow the link and check out the Guardian quiz, and the link for the water light code. Play with that. The link is in my bio, and I'll put it in the comments below. Have a great weekend, and look forward to the transmissions next week from the Dragon Fae. Take care.